Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. Today, I'll guide you through the simple process of changing a headlight bulb in your Kia Sorento. It's a straightforward task that can save you time and money. Before we begin, always make sure your vehicle's engine is off and has cooled down. You'll need a new bulb, which is typically an H7 or H11 type, and a pair of clean gloves to protect the bulb. Let's get started. First, pop open your Kia Sorento's hood. Look behind the headlight housing, you'll see a round dust cap. Gently twist this cap counterclockwise to remove it, exposing the bulb. Next, locate the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Press any release tabs and pull the connector straight off. This step ensures no power is flowing to the bulb during replacement. Now it's time to remove the old bulb. Depending on your Sorento model, you might twist it counterclockwise or release a small retaining clip. Once loose, carefully pull the old bulb out. When handling the new bulb, always hold it by its plastic or metal base. Oils from your skin can significantly shorten the bulb's lifespan. Insert the new bulb, ensuring it's seated correctly, then twist it clockwise or re-engage the clip to secure it. With the new bulb in place, reconnect the electrical connector. You should hear or feel a click, indicating it's securely attached. Next, put the dust cap back on, twisting it clockwise until it's tight. This protects the headlight assembly from moisture and dirt. Finally, turn on your vehicle's headlights to ensure the new bulb illuminates correctly. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your Kia Sorento's headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.